Chapter 5. Reproduction in Animals. In previous classes you learned that all living things reproduce. During their lifetime they produce young ones of their own kind. The process by which animals produce young ones of their own kind is called reproduction. Different animals reproduce in different ways. Some lay eggs from which young ones hatch out while others give birth to their young ones. Birds, frogs, snakes, lizards, fish lay eggs from which their young ones hatch out after some time. Human beings, cats, dogs, cows, elephants reproduce by giving birth to their young ones. They feed young ones on their milk and take good care of them. Egg-laying animals, birds, insects, turtles, snakes, crocodiles are some animals that lay eggs. The young ones hatch out from the eggs. Some young ones look like their parents and some look very different. But as they grow, they change and look like their parents. Egg and its internal structure. An egg has a hard outer covering called shell. Inside the shell there is egg white called albumen. Within the albumen, there lies a round yellow substance called yolk. The embryo or unborn young one lies in the yolk. The embryo feeds on the yolk and starts growing into young one. The albumen protects the yolk. Birds. Birds build nests to lay eggs. A nest keeps the eggs safe. Mother bird sits on its eggs to keep them warm. This is called incubation. The embryo develops into a chick, baby bird, when the egg is kept warm by bird. After few days egg shell breaks and chick comes out of it. This is called hatching. Frog. There are 4 stages in the life cycle of a frog. Before being an adult frog, it passes through 3 stages. A frog lays many eggs in water. After a few days they develop into tadpoles. A tadpole looks like a small fish. It has a tail. It lives only in water. It starts growing its legs. A tadpole keeps growing and its legs grow longer and tail becomes short. Now it becomes a young frog. It looks more like its parents now. After few days its tail vanishes and it becomes an adult frog. An adult frog lives both on land and in water. It reproduces every year. Fish. A fish lays thousands of eggs at one time in water. Fish eggs do not have outer covering or shells. Eggs of the fish are surrounded by a jelly-like substance which protects them from water. Many eggs and baby fish are eaten up by bigger fish. So, only few eggs grow into adult fish. Reptiles. Tortoise, lizards, snakes, crocodiles, turtle all are reptiles. They lay eggs at a safe place on the ground. The outer covering called shells of their eggs are thick and hard. They do not look after their eggs. Large number of their eggs are eaten by other animals. Only a few remain safe which get warmth from the sun's heat and young ones hatch out. However, some reptiles like crocodiles look after their eggs and young ones for a short period. Insects. Insects also lay eggs to reproduce. The young ones of most of the insects are very different from their adults. Many changes occur in them before becoming adults. Let us read the life cycle of a butterfly and a cockroach. Life cycle of a butterfly. Butterflies have 4 stages in their life cycle. Butterflies lay eggs on the leaves. The young ones that hatch out from these eggs are very different from their parent. Each young one is called larva. The larvae of different insects have different names. The larva of butterfly is called caterpillar. The caterpillar eats leaves and grows very fast. After few days it stops eating and makes a cocoon around itself. Now it is called pupa. In this period it keeps changing, and in a few weeks or months it comes out of the cocoon as a beautiful butterfly. Life cycle of a cockroach. Cockroaches have 3 stages in their life cycle. A female cockroach lays eggs in a dark place. A baby cockroach hatches out from each egg. The baby cockroach is similar to an adult cockroach. A baby cockroach is called nymph. It is small and does not have wings. As it grows, it sheds its old skin and a new skin grows. This shedding of skin is called molting. After so many moltings, it becomes an adult cockroach. Animals giving birth to young ones. The animals which give birth to young ones are called mammals. The young ones feed on their mother's milk till they are able to eat other things or look for food themselves. Mammals take care of their young ones. They feed them, clean them and keep them safe from any danger. Mammals are the most developed animals. Their bodies are covered with hairs. Rabbits, dogs, cats, rats, monkeys, tigers, horses, elephants, cows, goats are some examples of mammals. Humans are also mammals. Bats flying like a bird and live on trees are also mammals. They are the only mammal which can fly. They live in old buildings or caves. They do not make nests. The mother bat gives birth to its young one and feeds it for 2 or 3 weeks. Whale and dolphin, having fish-like hairless bodies, are also mammals. They give birth to their young ones and take care of them. A kangaroo is a mammal that gives birth to baby kangaroo called joey. It is 3 cm long when it is born. It lives in mother's pouch where it drinks mother's milk. No more. Joey the baby kangaroo. A mother with her baby. A cat with kitten. A dog with puppy. A goat with lamb. A cow with calf. A monkey with her baby. A kangaroo with joey in its pouch. A tiger with cub. Quick recap. All mammals give birth to their young ones and take care of them. Mammals feed their young ones on their milk. All animals reproduce their own kind. Animals like birds, insects, frogs, snakes, crocodiles etc. reproduce by laying eggs. Animals laying eggs have different stages in their life cycle. Reptiles, frogs and fish are the animals that do not care of their eggs or young ones.